As long as it'll make you look nice.
Okay.
I trust you.
Okay. Agree ka ba doon sa length, ma'am? Do you agree on the length?
Yes, I agree.
Okay. So, this is the length. The longest. And then, this one, ilalayer natin pag ano. Doon po sa bangs na sinabi ko sa inyo. Is this length okay?
As long as it'll make you look nice.
Okay.
I trust you.
Okay, thank you. And then, later, let's try a different partition. So, from here, I'll try here, and then we'll see kung ano yung mas okay. Sige. So, iti-treatment din natin para later, when you glide your fingers, hindi siya ganito. Ma'am, ha? Sige, gupitan ko muna. So, yeah. At least, it's softer now compared a while ago.
Wait, you just gotta learn how to fix it.
Opo. Yun yung flat iron or blower, just to curve the ends. But the shape is already there. No need to,
This one, you just flat and then
curve mo lang, ma'am.
curve lang.
Curve mo lang. Sundan mo lang yung shape na nakapaloob na gano'n.
Okay.
And then, I suggest you change your partition dito. Kasi it's too flat in the middle. So, either here or here. Either sa dalawa. Okay, ma'am? Yeah, soft layering lang. Length, not too short. Thank you po.
Thank you.